Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
In the next few minutes, I will show you how to use AI to create stunning artworks and sell them on Etsy to earn $10,000 monthly. I'll reveal a tested method that has allowed others to scale their business tremendously. I know you may feel your creativity is stifled or you'll never succeed as an artist, but you're not alone. Every client felt that way before discovering this system. They didn't know how AI could empower their ideas or how to market online. That's why I created this book, to provide the same solution I gave others. I'm sure you're tired of limitations holding you back, but I'm here to help you break free through the power of AI art. Let me introduce the solution and show you how it works. First, I'll reveal my 2 favorite AI tools to bring any vision to life without artistic skills. You'll be able to generate hundreds of pieces per month. Next, I'll unveil my simple 3-step process to turn AI images into hot-selling Etsy listings. I'll optimize, describe, and tweak pieces for thousands of weekly buyers. You'll learn to market your shop and build a loyal audience. Can you imagine logging into your Etsy daily to see orders flooding in and money deposited automatically? Envision partnerships and regular commissions coming your way too. Close your eyes and picture it. All creations realized through AI and instantly loved by your growing fans. Feel the freedom of making passion a career instead of just a hobby. All doubts would fade as success unfolded. If unlocking this future excites you, get started right now by reserving your copy of this book. Click below to be taken to a quick application. I look forward to empowering your art empire. Don't miss out. Artificial intelligence has opened new creative doors. Claim your spot before it's too late, and I'll see you on the inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn reoccurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.